All right guys, welcome back to This is Australia with Damian and Candetti. I'm here today with Neil from Dario Caravans and Repairs. He's going to be taking us through a handover today of a Snowy River Caravan.
Right, let's have a look inside the caravan. The Snowy River Caravans have the option of a front window. You can have that open or closed, obviously, when you're sleeping. Also have twin reading lights, which can be individually switched on and off. Also up here you have your hatch, which can be blocking out the daylight, or you can have insect screen across there. To open it up, there's a little button and you just flick it open, and then the hatch is quite easily opened thus. Gives you a great flow. Your windows work the same way. Just release the little catch, unlock them, and then your window can go out. Once you've done that, you can lock it in position. Beautiful breeze coming through on this nice day. So the caravans come with a microwave, pretty easy to understand that. Radio, which is a Bluetooth connector as well. Range hood. The bench top is incorporated into your stove top, which is a 3 gas burner and electric, only when you're in the caravan park, guys. And you've got now gas off the burner, and when you do need to get the gas going, you just press your igniter. This has a mini grill, so you can put your toasties under there for the kids, and away you go. You can have the option of going to a full oven. Really nice setup. So coming across to the rear of the caravan, first thing that we have is a great feature here is the pantry. This pantry is great for loading up all your tucker, and it has 3 locking mechanisms. There are some different designs where you can split the pantry in half or drop the pantry to the floor. And then lots of cabinetry up here. An automatic fridge which will run 3-way, gas, electric and 12 volt. And then down below here we've got all your plumbing. It's quite intricate, some of the plumbing that goes on in the caravan, and we can get into more detail as we move forward. One of the features of the Snowy River Caravans is the cabinetry. The benefit of it, it's nice and solid, so you can lock yourself away. Really great. Another feature, the slide out bench top for the washing machine. A lot of people get caught out. It really works well. You could put your basket here and load your washing machine up. Down here we've got the toilet, which we will get into more detail in another video. However, suffice to say, it's got a little red light on it that'll pop up when the dunny's full. So when traveling with the Snowy River Caravan, or all caravans, you should really lock the shower door, and there's a little lever there. You can flick that across, a little locking. Also, we have another one up the top there. Just flick that down and you can obviously jump into the shower. In the shower, you've got a shower rose, a mixer, hot and cold water tap, and then you've also got 12 volt vent, which you can turn off and on, and you also have the light switch in there. With all Snowy River Caravans, you'll get a reverse cycle air conditioner, heating and cooling. We'll go into more detail in another video. As you enter the caravan, you'll see that there are some switches here. One is a master. First of all, you want to flick that one on, and that'll be able to enable you to put all the lights in, and it'll force power to the rest of the appliances if you're on 240 and or 12 volt. An RCD here, obviously if you have a short or a problem, it'll kick in and turn all the power off. This particular van has dimming lights that are underneath the shelves, which you can ask for as an option. And if we go up here, this is where the important bit happens as far as your electrics are concerned. It looks really busy, but honestly guys, it's really simple. This is telling you how much solar power, and it's a really sunny day outside. It's 13.5, it's getting pushed into the battery management system from the solar panels. Up here, it's telling you green flashing is absolutely okay. Charging and check everything is okay, and you can just do a quick look at that. When it's green, it's obviously okay. We also have your grey water tank level for the twin tanks. So up here you also have your isolating switch for aircon, fridge and hot water system. Coming down here, when you're on free camping or even at the caravan park, you can put your pump on, and that'll allow you to get your water coming through the sink and or the shower. And then if you're free camping on gas, you flick this button down and your hot water will start to generate heat. Thanks for coming along with us during this handover on the Snowy River Caravan. We've got a lot more detail to come in the following videos.
Thanks for watching. Bye.